Welcome back, YouTube. This is Rain and Cats Part 2. See, I can hear it's raining outside. I don't know if it worries the cats or not. They get worried if there's a storm, but it's not a storm as of right now. It's just raining. But cats worry about things like that. Shut the light off. See the raindrops falling? Video. Over this way. The sky. It's so dark. I turn the light back on. It's how cats react to rain. He's probably also whining because he wants more food. He's a big fat cat that eats a lot. Just like Buddy used to be, except this is Freddy. This other one doesn't care too much about food. It doesn't eat as much. It wants the sun chips. Yeah, they're probably whining for more food. I have to wrap this video up. They want more food. Right, Fred? Fred? More food? Is that what you want? Fred? Fred? Want more food? Fred? Oh, apparently not. Okay. The food dish is really empty. That's probably what he's whining about. Feed him every day, but it doesn't take him long to eat through it. Especially this chubby cat. This big boy, Freddy. Feed him earlier. Looks like he ate it already. I'm trying to put him on a diet. Because when Buddy was alive, that's what they recommended. Just don't feed him too much. He's gonna need a little more food though, because he's a big fat cat. He needs more to eat. Right, Fred? Right? Yeah, that's what he's waiting for. This other one is really mischievous. He likes to get into things. Well, anyways, that has been Rain and Cats Part 2. It's raining outside right now. Shut the lights off. Hopefully you could hear it. Anyways, Rain and Cats, not Raining Cats, but Rain and Cats Part 2. Thank you for listening and watching. Until the next video. Bye.